Right then, seafood boil. So we have got a ton and a ton of stuff to boil up here. So we're basically, what we're going to do is we're going to make up a nice little stock inside of this pan here. Right, so first of all we're going to do is just half 2 lemons, squeeze them, a whole lot goes into the pot. Get them in, and then next I'm just going to take the skin off 1 onion. Just going to half that. And then we've got a few shallots, same with them, so skin off, shove them in. And then next up, I'm just going to take a couple of whole garlic, just cut them in half, get them into the pan. And then it might seem a bit excessive, but we're going to be using a whole tub of Old Bay inside of this. And then being an American dish, we basically need half a stick, as they call it, of butter. And then we're going to fill this about halfway with water. Next up, a bag of potatoes. And then we've got 4 slączka. These are Polish smoked sausages. Just going to cut them up. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful sausage this is. Right then, we've just got some mini corn on the cob, so we'll just go through them, stick them in, and then that is going to go on the stove until it boils. We'll start prepping some of the seafood, so I've got a couple of rock lobster tails here, so we're just going to gently just crack down the spine, cut them in half, because they're blooming expensive. Right, so there we go. So we've got all of the seafood here ready. We're just going to wait for this just to come up to the boil. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit. What I'm going to do is I've got my eggs here, because you serve it with eggs. So I'm going to boil the eggs up in the stock there. And once they're hard boiled, we'll take them out, leave them to one side. And then all of the seafood goes in. So I want to say massive thank you to World of Fish for this, because they've done absolutely brilliant with all of this. We've got crab claws. We've got whole king prawns. We've got some mussels. We've got clams, we've got the rock lobster, and we've also got those langoustines as well. So this is going to be an absolute feast. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to come out all right. It's the first time that I've done it. Right, so we'll just wait for this to boil up, and then we'll get all of the other bits in. So we're all there. That has been boiling away for about 8 minutes. Just going to pour off some of that stock, and we're all good to go. Right then, I think we're all done, boys. There we go. Lovely old job. Absolute perfect. Such a simple dish, and just really, really easy. Just a shame it costs a fortune to make, but hey ho.